Next up, we go to Pretoria again, and this is an older judgment, but I've put it in because it has now been reported. MM versus OM 2024 3SA 133 GP, Pretoria High Court, under the pen of Mabuse J. Bundle page 133 and summary page 10. The question came before the court as a stated case in terms of Rule 33 of the Uniform Rules, and the court was asked to adjudicate essentially whether pension benefits which were received by a member spouse who ceased to be a member after institution but before finalization of divorce and received only after finalization are capable of division in a joint estate. What happened was the following. The one spouse was a bit naughty, resigned and retired. I think it was 2 days after being served with divorce summons, thinking that that would clear out their pension benefits. So they resigned from the fund. However, the divorce was then finalized on the 21st of July, and the pension payout only received in October of 2017. The member spouse essentially said, well, it's not part of my estate. The other spouse said, well, Section 77 of the Divorce Act says that your pension interests are to be deemed an asset, and that must be capable of division. So the question in the stated case of the court was, can a former member spouse who has ceased to be a member of a pension scheme before finalization of divorce, but who received his or her retirement benefits after divorce, be ordered to pay such a portion of such benefits that accrued to him or her during the divorce to the former non-member spouse? The court, I quite like the approach of the court. This court takes it that it is not a general question, but a question that relates particularly to the facts of this case. The judge made quite a lot of points in the judgment of saying, I'm not here to give you legal advice. I'm adjudicating on this case. The simple answer to the question is yes. The facts of the party's case show that their case is a quintessential example of such a case where a member spouse who ceased to be a member of a pension fund before the finalization of a divorce, but who received the benefits of his or her retirement after divorce, may be forced to pay a portion of such benefits to a non-member spouse. So, in those instances where we see people resigning quickly from their pension funds in anticipation of a divorce, take note of this judgment.